ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Here is my gift to you. Have you had to endure sneakerhead conversations where it sounds like they're talking a whole different language? Have you ever been tempted into slapping one of these people with an Air Force One just to get them to shut up? Well, here it is, ladies and gentlemen, a complete beginner's guide to sneaker terminology. Let's go. Aglets. Sounds like the piglet version of aggression, but it's not. It's the little things that are on the end of shoelaces. Beaters. Now these are the ones you don't mind wearing down to the ground. In my case, that's basically every pair of shoes I own. Colorway. This one is exactly what it sounds like. It's the colors on the trainers. Honestly, I think people just like to use it in conversation because it sounds nice. Dead stock. No, it's not a group of oxygen-challenged individuals. It is, in fact, when a shoe is no longer in production and no longer being sold in stores. However, these days, many take dead stock to mean that the shoe has never been worn and that it's brand new. But that's the wrong definition. Dubré. Now this one sounds proper posh, but it's really just a lace tag. Grells are super rare kicks. Hype beasts, you know, those people that wear head to toe Supreme and only buy the limited releases. Yeah, that's what they're called. Lows, they're low. Highs are high. And mids are like somewhere in the middle. OGs, original, like me. I'm a real OG. Resell. Now that's when you take a pair of trainers and you sell them on. Most of the time for more money, for a profit. Retro. A sneaker that came out previously and it's being released again. Full size run. It's not just the name of that poppin' YouTube show, it means when a retailer has all the sizes, and that's especially special to man like me because I only wear 4.5 UK. If you want to buy me a pair of trainers, then feel free to do so. You know, it's like a thank you for doing this for you, because this is your Christmas present. Ho, ho, ho. Subscribe, like, share. It's my Christmas special. Aww.